guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath & Beauty Showroom. We're here today for the exciting reason to announce the winner of the Fall Solstice Giveaway. I'm so excited. I love giving soap away. I have all y'all's names and my husband's lucky Red Wings hat, but because we've had so many new subscribers, you guys are incredible. I'm gonna have to transfer them to this bowl because I can't like really mix them up. So let me do that. So let me show you the soaps that we have. We have Don't Stop Till You Get Enough, which is scented in caramel apple. We have Smooth Criminal, which is scented in Pilgrim's Pie. We have Thriller, which is scented in pumpkin spice. And we have Remember the Time, which is scented in apple cinnamon. And I'm gonna go ahead and post a picture over here of what they look like, you know, without the packaging. So, but anyway, let's get to it. Are you guys ready? I need a drum roll. I'm gonna mix them up and I'm not gonna look. Oh, I'm not gonna look. We're gonna just pick one, Okay, here's the winner. We've got a winner. Oh, gotta open it. Oh my God, the winner is Mrs. Wise Rat. That is so awesome. So, Shauna, you get to pick your favorite of our Fall Solstice soaps. That's exciting. So I'm gonna contact Mrs. Wise Rat and let her know that she has won our giveaway. And you guys, I just want to thank you so much for all the love and the support that you guys have given me throughout this, you know, short time that I've been on YouTube. You guys are absolutely incredible. We have the best family here at Renpet Bath & Beauty, and it wouldn't be possible without you. So stay tuned because we are doing a giveaway for the winter solstice soaps too. So I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.